is rotation of axis. So already we discussed about this topic in the introduction video, rotation of axis, that is the transformation obtained by rotating the x comma y axis with an equal angle theta without changing the position of the horizon is called the rotation of axis. That is, so first here we are taking the coordinate axis, x axis and y axis, and we are rotating the coordinate axis with the same angle theta without changing the position of the horizon is called the rotation of axis. Here the new axes are taken as x dash comma y dash. Here also we are taking one point here P. Now with respect to the old system, the coordinates of this point is equal to small x comma small y, and with respect to the new axis, new system, the coordinates of this point is equals to capital X comma capital Y. Here also we have the formulas for small x comma small y and capital X comma capital Y. Now we are taking the formulas. First one, small x is equal to formula capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and small y is equals to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. These are the formulas which are used to find the values of the small x comma small y. And the next two formulas are capital X and capital Y, and capital X is equals to small x cos theta plus small y sin theta, and capital Y is equals to minus small x sin theta plus small y cos theta. These are the formulas which are used to calculate the values of the capital X and capital Y. When the axes are rotated through an angle 30 degrees, then find the new coordinates of the point minus 2, 4. Find the new coordinates of the given point. New coordinates means we want to find the values of capital X, capital Y. So we are taking the given point as small x, small y. That is, first we are writing the given values here. Given that small x, small y is equals to minus 2, 4, and also given that theta is equal to 30 degrees. Now we want the values of capital X, capital Y. Find the new coordinates. New coordinates means we want capital X, capital Y. So for that we are taking the formulas of the capital X and capital Y here. Capital X is equals to, formula is small x cos theta plus small y sin theta, and capital Y is equals to formula minus small x sin theta plus small y cos theta. Now we are substituting the given values here. X is equal to minus 2 into cos 30, given that theta is equal to 30, plus y value 4 into sin 30, and here this is minus of minus plus 2 into sin 30 plus y value 4 into cos 30. Now this is equals to minus 2 into cos 30 value root 3 by 2 plus 4 into sin 30 value 1 by 2. Here 2 is cancelled and it is cancelled by 2 times. So this is minus root 3 plus 2. And here 2 into sin 30 value 1 by 2 plus cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Now it is cancelled by 2 times. These two are cancelled. So the answer is 1 plus 2 into root 3 to root 3. Therefore, the values of capital X, capital Y is equals to minus root 3 plus 2, 1 plus 2 root 3. That's all. When the axes are rotated through an angle 60 degrees, the new coordinates of a point are 3, 4. Then find the original coordinates. Given that the new coordinates of a point, new coordinates means we are taking these values as capital X, capital Y. Find the original coordinates means we want to find the values of small x, small y. So first we are writing the given data here. Given that new coordinates are given which are taken as capital X, capital Y, which are 3, 4, and given that theta is equals to 60 degrees. Now we want the values of small x, small y. Find the original coordinates means we want to find small x, small y. Now take the formulas of small x, small y. Now what is the formula for small x? Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. And next formula small y. Small y is equals to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Now we are substituting the given values here. Capital X value 3 cos theta value 60 minus 4 sin 60, and this is 3 sin 60 plus 4 cos 60, and this is equals to 3 into cos 60 value 1 by 2, 3 into 1 by 2 minus 4 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Now taking 3 to LCM, 3 into 1 3 minus 4 into root 3 4 root 3. This is the value of small x. Now this is pi is equals to 3 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2 plus 4 into cos 60 value 1 by 2. Again taking LCM, 2 is LCM, 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 plus 4 into 1, 4. Now this is pi value. Therefore the original coordinate small x, small y is equals to 3 minus 4 root 3 by 2 comma 3 root 3 plus 4 by 2. That's all.